Time to plan your first vacation in far too long. Shouldn't be too bad, really. It's mostly just the cost of flights and, oh, hotels, of course. And a car rental, actually, which needs gas. And I need gas, meals, and snacks. And we're gonna go to the zoo, so we should save for that. And someone needs to take care of the zoo back home, so... I get it. Life does not come with a roadmap. It's cross-country move here, freshly graduated twins there, and the kids are on year number 3 of positively begging for a family puppy. But no one's giving you a heads up on how to prepare for any of this stuff, or reminding you like, hey, that HVAC system ain't gonna last forever, remember? Thanks, Wilson, I'll hop right on it, but yeah, somehow it's all on us. And that's a lot when it's all you can do to pack 3 school lunches every day, start the Christmas shopping before December 21st, and I don't know, schedule your own doctor's appointment for once? Pardon me for being a bit of a Debbie Downer, but that's a heavy load, y'all. For real, it is. And most of us continually find ourselves being the avoid asking for help for some illogical reason type of person. Yeah, why do we do that? Well, YNAB had a little idea for how to help. Not because any of us here really have it together, but because we sure wish we would have had someone holding our hand when our 26-year-old self and starry-eyed partner innocently thought, let's buy a house, babe. It's really just a down payment, right? Right? We all wish we would have had more of a plan when it comes to these big, usually expensive lifetime moments. A roadmap of sorts, a way to plan and know we're on the right track to get there, not just in one piece, but with a smile on our face to boot. Well, I am simply delighted to introduce you to YNAB Templates. Tiny little roadmaps that help you plan for life's big moments and the little day-to-day simplicities too. While we're still evolving and improving these templates, you can browse the complete template gallery on mobile or web with easy breezy importing just a few clicks away on the web app. You can find the gallery linked down below this video or simply head over to ynab.com/templates. A brief scroll and oh yeah, you're feeling the relief already. Here we have 20 fresh and crispy templates chock full of pre-made categories to help you plan for life's biggest moments with confidence, that Disney trip, that fairy tale wedding, or find a little more clarity in the simple day-to-day. More freeing and granular food categories, proactively preparing for future house projects and giving the kiddos ownership over their hard-earned allowances. Inspired by real YNABers and their real spending plans, clicking into any template will give you a breakdown of the backstory, as well as a sneak peek into the actual categories the template contains. Take, for example, the YNABer who planned a once-in-a-lifetime, all-stops-pulled trip to Disney with her 3 teenagers and spouse. They chose to invest $10,000 into the ultimate Disney experience, no waiting in lines, no Dole Whip denial. She's spilling her giant mouse-eared secrets, y'all, and it is all right here in one easy-to-import template. Or for the YNABer constantly counting down the days to the return of Winter Wonderland, we have the Ultimate Holidays template, helping you remember stocking stuffers and still leaving room to splurge on that New Year's outfit. So let's go ahead and walk through what it actually looks like to use a YNAB template. For all my wedding planners out there, you'll find every expense you could ever think of in our 7-group, 30-category wedding template. Does that sound like a lot? No worries, you can easily uncheck any categories you don't find fit your needs. Hello DJ Spotify, goodbye pricey paper invites. When importing a template, you can choose to add the template directly into your current plan seen in the background of the import screen, or click choose another budget to add it to another pre-existing budget or an entirely new budget found at the bottom of your budget's home screen. In the case of wedding planning or say a kitchen renovation, you may find starting an entirely new budget to be super helpful for easy sharing with your partner. But be assured, adding any template to your current or pre-existing budgets won't override any information, categories, any of that. I promise you, you cannot mess this up. Today, we'll click import categories to add this template straight into our current spending plan. You'll find all freshly imported templates at the bottom of your spending plan, ready for your ultimate customization. About this template will detail the inspiration for the template's categories in the notes section of the category. Once you've read it, feel free to delete this category and its group. From here, the world is your oyster. Rename any categories you want to be more fitting to your own situation. For instance, our venue was my husband's parents' free backyard, but I might replace the idea of this venue category with a tent and chair rental category instead, because yes, it did pour on our wedding day, but it was fun because we got to wear no shoes. A lot of the templates include example amounts based off of real YNABers' experiences in these life events. The default for imported amounts is set to have a custom have a balance of target type, which will work in most cases for big projects, but you'll want to customize the amounts and targets to fit your life and your projects. For example, popping into our travel template, $2,000 for lodging is awesome, except you found the sleekest Airbnb mountain getaway you've ever seen in your life, $3,000 for a week with your nature-loving kiddos. Just edit the target to match your needs. $3,000. We can keep this one as a custom have a balance of target since it's just a one-timer. Toggle on by date, all ready to pay in full by May of 2025. When you save this target, you now have a clear monthly amount you know you need to contribute to this category each month in order to book your mountain getaway and relax in fully funded vacation bliss. Come May 2025, of course. Well, and now, but you know. And from here, you're really just doing whatever you need to make the template your own. So rearrange the categories however you want, rename them to something more fitting, customize your targets, and add any other categories you find helpful. Let's go ahead and take a peek at one of the templates I'd find super handy for new YNABers, non-monthly expenses. 37 categories? What? I'm sorry. What? Don't panic. This template is just a list of ideas for possible non-monthly expenses you might have. We would expect you to uncheck plenty of categories. For instance, right at the top, we see water, gas, and trash bill. In some areas, these expenses are paid quarterly, maybe twice a year, but where I live, these are monthly bills that I already have built into my regular spending plan, so I'm gonna go ahead and uncheck these. My home insurance is also taken care of by my escrow account along with my property taxes, so I'm just gonna uncheck those as well. And hey, maybe I don't pay a gym membership every month, but this does remind me that I subscribe to a monthly online yoga class, so I might change this muscle money category to my Go with the Floga yoga subscription, which is totally real, and I did not just make that up. I totally work out all the time. And I actually don't have a Costco membership or anything like that, but this warehouse membership category is reminding me that I have always wanted one. Setting a target for the $65 annual fee helps me realize for the first time that being a Costco member is actually only $5 and some change every month, which is not too bad if I'm tucking Lincolns away for this category all year long, so maybe now's the time. You'll only adopt your first puppy once. That massive step from college graduate to full-time salaried employee isn't one you want to do without a plan. Ask most of us, we can confirm. YNAB templates are here to help you save time, prevent surprises, and learn from others who have charted the path before you. Not only that, but YNAB templates are a great way to share insight with friends and family walking into these big life moments for the first time. Can you even imagine if just 2 or 3 years before you bought your very first house, someone handed you this? Full transparency here, when my husband and I were touring our first house, I didn't know about closing costs or appraisal fees, or that the nice realtor lady didn't just inspect the house with her reading glasses and a clipboard for free out of the kindness of her heart. Like, don't you think she could do that? Don't you think it wouldn't have to cost $500? No one's really going around educating you on how much it actually costs to buy a home until you're put in the actual situation. Yeah, that was kind of shock. Especially when your realtor's talking to you about all these things as if you totally know that you're gonna have to pay all these things. We had no idea. Something about an earnest check. I was like, what the heck? I really could have used a YNAB template back then, and when my friends raising 2 babies in an 800 square foot apartment ask me for tips on starting the house hunting process, you can bet your bottom dollar I'm gonna be sending them straight to this template. Also, we bought the first house we ever toured. I'm not really sure what that says about us. So play around with it. What template or 2 are you adding to your spending plan or hope to add one day? And what future templates do you hope to see created as well? As always, you're welcome to share all thoughts and feedback down in the comments below. And like I said, this feature is still growing and evolving, so your words and feedback mean so much to us. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in the next video. And giving the kiddos ownership. Anyone else's armpits on fire today? Is that just me? No. I'll get lipstick off of that. When our 26-year-old self and I can't remember how to say any words. Interesting. Sometimes I think I brush my teeth too hard for my own good. She nailed it. Ooh, yeah, she nailed it. Full transparency, when my husband and I first started touring homes to buy our first home, well, I'll get it on that. Ow. That's one. Whoa, my hair was nuts. Pass. Ow. Don't get annoyed because it's okay. It's really okay. Okay. Just keep saying okay. Okay. Dang it.